Hi, unfortunately this is what my hair looks like after I get out of the shower. Hello, Nanuck. Nook. Nookie, what's this? What's this? Hey. Hello. That's my dog, named Nanuck. You can hear them not play fighting in there, so he's whimpering, but it'll be alright. Won't you? Yes. Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about my dog and what he is. He's the closest thing you can get to a wolf, which is an Alaskan Malamute. Alaskan Malamutes are 3/4 wolf, Huskies are half wolf, Akitas and Husker Mutes are both 1/4. Nanuck is 3 years old, nearly. He's 3 in April, so next month. He's got like, you can't see it on this video, but he's got like at the very tip of his vest. He howls a lot. He doesn't like the ice cream man or the scrap man who comes round. He doesn't like the noise, and it drives him crazy, and he'd howl if he does. He doesn't like people being hurt. He doesn't like want to eat animals and stuff, particularly. But yeah, there's nothing really much to say about it, but sorry about my hair, look at it. I need to dry it as soon as I've finished this video, and I'm getting ready, I'm going out, so see you later. Hello, Nanuck. Nanuck. Say bye, Nanuck. Bye bye. I know that's not him, but still. Lol.